Going on, folks on YouTube land? I just want to say the Reverend hasn't forgot about you. With this whole COVID thing the world is going through, I've been working from home like most of you, and the last thing I want to do is get in front of a computer and edit some movies that I've made. However, I do have some new content coming to you, fresh, and as you can see, I'm still grilling, so I'm just going to go ahead and quickly say, when you're cooking a thin piece of meat like this, you do want to make sure you pay super special attention to it. That way your meat doesn't shrink. But more importantly, that way it doesn't overcook either. Now you might be asking yourself, yo, Reverend, how come you didn't season those? Or tell me what you seasoned them with. Well, because these were store-bought patties that didn't have seasoning on them. So that's where you go out, you get your Pit Boss Chop Steakhouse, and you sprinkle as you cook. Now you're going to ask yourself, isn't that going to be a little too much? And I'm going to say, do what you want, man. That's all that matters. Do you. Cheers. Thanks so much for watching. Remember, like, subscribe, share, tell your friends. Be excellent to each other. And also, if you haven't had a Carlsberg in a while, maybe you should.